Let's talk about TikTok's algorithm, more specifically, how to escape what I like to call the 200 view jail. You've seen it. You pour hours into creating a video, post it, and then boom, 200 views, max. It's brutal, and TikTok's algorithm can feel like an impenetrable fortress. But here's the good news, you can break out. Here's how. Number one, quality over quantity. First, forget the old advice about posting 1,000,000 times a day. TikTok rewards quality content. It's all about engagement, views, likes, comments. The platform doesn't care if you post 10 times a day if no one's interacting with your videos. So focus on making each post count. Create something worth watching, commenting on, and sharing. Number two, post regularly. Cadence is key, but here's the flip side. Consistency matters. The TikTok algorithm loves creators who show up regularly. You don't need to post every hour, but find a posting cadence that works for you. Once or twice a day is solid for most people. The key is to stick to it. Regularity keeps you in the game, and the algorithm pays attention. Number three, use new features ASAP. TikTok's always rolling out new features, whether it's new editing tools, effects, or sound updates. Here's the insider trick. The platform pushes content that uses its shiny new toys. If TikTok releases a new feature, use it. It's like getting a free boost in visibility. TikTok wants to showcase creators who engage with their latest updates. Number four, master the algorithm. Engage, engage, engage. The last piece of the puzzle, engagement. Comment back when people leave feedback. Ask questions in your videos and use trending sounds and hashtags wisely. The more back and forth you generate, the more the algorithm loves you. TikTok wants creators who keep people on the platform. That's how you break out of TikTok's 200 view jail. Quality over quantity, regular cadence, new features, and relentless engagement. The algorithm isn't a mystery, it just takes some strategy to master it. So what's your next post gonna be?